First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Ready. Finish the bottom of the pool. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep it up. Build a formwork for the walls. Let's wash. Drop side truck. Hooray! We need to assemble. Concrete pump. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Concrete pump. Press the pump. Ready. Fill the pool walls. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. Hooray! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Amazing! Lay the tiles. Let's wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great.